So how do you make multiple cuts, all the same length, on your Dewalt portable miter saw stand if you don't have fence stops? Well, I'll show you how with this easy to make jig. So I just scabbed together some pieces of scrap material I had laying around for this jig. I used a piece of 2x10, a piece of 3/4 inch plywood, a piece of 1/2 inch plywood, and a 3/4 inch piece of melamine board to achieve the 3.5 inches of height I needed to be level with the saw platform. I then used a 3/4 by 3/4 inch straight router bit to cut a groove in the melamine board 3/4 inches wide, 3/8 of an inch deep, and 24 inches long to accommodate the 24-inch T-track. First, I positioned the 2x10 on the two Dewalt mounting brackets and marked the centers for the 4 bolt holes. I then used a 3/4 inch spade bit to countersink about a 1/2 inch for the washers and nuts. Then I used a 3/16 inch bit to drill the holes. I used 1.5 inch by 1/4 inch panhead bolts with a washer and nut to attach the mounting brackets. Then I pre-drilled and countersunk holes for the deck screws that would hold down the layers of plywood, being careful to miss the screws below. I cut the groove for the T-track in the melamine piece before attaching it to the top. And finally I attached the T-track in the groove with the 1/2 inch flathead screws that came with the track. Forgot to show you, or forgot to put the clamp on. This is a little stop, not a clamp, from PowerTech. Come a package of 4. Some are oriented. See, this will fit down in the track. This here will. And then this T-bolt will slide under it. So just slide it on here like this. Tape it down wherever you want. Loosen it, move it, tighten it. So what I did, instead of making another one of these, I took apart, as if you couldn't tell, the one I had already made to show you how I assembled it. Obviously this, it's adhesive tape. It reads left to right, or I'm sorry, right to left. I put that on last after I carefully measured from where the blade would cut, and then applied it. Made my lines on here and applied it. This homemade jig is an easy, inexpensive, and portable way to add an accurate length stop to your portable Dewalt miter saw stand. I will provide links for the T-track, stop, and mounting brackets in the description below. And if you like this video, like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.